Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today's our topic is International Accounting Standard number 4040. This standard is talk about the investment properties. Investment properties? What are investment properties? That is a question. So first of all, we must understand, we must understand what are investment properties. As until we don't know what are investment properties, we cannot work. Okay. So what is investment property? So the answer is investment properties are properties which we acquire with the intention of with an intention of non-business use. What I said? With an intention
Non-business.
of non-business usage. Mafi business, no business istemal, no business use. We are saying, I am buying that property and wallahi, I will not use it for business. I will not use it for business. So what you will do with it? I will rent it out. I will rent it out. Okay, it's an investment property because you are not using it using in your business activities. If you are not using your business your property in business activities, it is not a land and building, it is investment property. Got it or no?
Yeah,
Yani we do have IS 16 where we learned land and building, remember?
yeah.
And here we have IS 40 where we have investment properties. Both are, wallahi, both are, both are land and building. Both are building, both are premises, both are properties. But what is the difference? IS 16 land and building is business use. Business use. The land and building used in the business. Investment property. No business use. What I said?
No
No
business.
business use. So options, no business use means rented it out. Yani rent out or capital appreciation. What is that? I am acquiring a property and my intention is to let it out. Yani I am going to rent it out to someone. So this is going to fall under IAS 40. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Second, I am buying a property and I am saying that one, I am buying it now, then I put a lock on it and I am saying my intention is that inshallah, when my son or my daughter will be their marriage age, I am going to gift them. Khalas. Like in India and Pakistan, it's normal culture, right? Parents are giving property as a gift to their daughters, right?
Yeah.
At the time of marriage. This is not a culture in your country, but in India, in Pakistan, this is normal. So
Mm-hmm.
capital appreciation is we are acquiring a property and putting a lock on it, not using it until the value of the property appreciates and we will sell it off. And our intention is to sell the property once the value got increased, right or wrong?
Yeah.
Any doubts?
No.
Okay, very nice. Moving a bit forward. Business use, not business use is the key identification that this property is falling under which IAS. And if you will not determine which IAS is that, wallahi, you will not be able to solve the answer correctly. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
So hopefully you understood me. Tell me what is investment property? The definition for you. What you understood?
So investment property is property that is not used for
Yes, not used for. Business purpose.
Business purpose.
Yes. The example, rentals. The example, capital appreciation purposes, right?
Yeah.
Now be careful. IS 16, in IS 16, we have two models. One
Mm-hmm.
is cost model. Second one is revaluation model. Remember?
Yeah.
Cost model and revaluation model. The choice is ours. And what we like, yani, if we want to continue at cost model, we can continue. But once we move towards the revaluation model, then we have to continue with it. We have to continue with it. Once you
Yeah.
revalued, then you have to revalue every year, right or wrong?
Yeah.
Okay. Any problems?
No.
Now, a bit moving forward. We have something called investment properties. Investment properties do have two models as well. One is cost model. Second one is fair value model. What it is?
Fair value model.
The cost model of IS 16 and IS 40 are same. Any depreciation will be charged using straight line method or reducing balance method, no difference. Cost
Mm-hmm.
model of IS 16 and IS 40, 100% same. That's why I give same color, pink color. But the fair value model and revaluation model are 100% different. They are different models. 99% in the exam, if investment property is a question by examiner, he is giving fair value model. Because cost model is similar, same like IS 16. So the examiner is not that much mental guy that he will re-examine or re-ask a question already he asked in IS 16. Got my point?
Yeah.
So how those models are going to work, I will teach you with the help of an example question. And this IAS, inshallah, my target is that we will end this IAS today. Okay? So
Okay.
as to cover up our missed classes as well. So there is an example question called Selena. Selena, a manufacturing entity, purchased a property for how much?
$1 million.
Oh my God, $1 million. What to do? Which date she purchased it?
1st January
2001. For his
2000.
investment potential. See the word investment potential. This means has a capital appreciation, right?
Mm.
Yani, once reading the first line, I come across that here IS 40, not IS 16, because it's an
Mm-hmm.
investment potential. Wallahi, I am right or wrong?
Right.
Okay, ma'am. The land element of the cost is believed to be 400,000. We know land cannot be depreciated. Okay, fine. And building element is expected to have a useful life of 50 years. Okay, fine. Year ended 31st December 2001. A local property in indices, yani the indexes, suggest that the face value or fair value of the property rise to 1.1 million. Allahu Akbar. The first thing is this is IS 40, huh? We know
Yeah.
IS 40 have two models, cost model and fair value model.
Yeah.
Cost model is similar like IS 16, so let's do it. Cost model I am doing. Wallahi, I am doing cost model for IS 40. But you will
Mm-hmm.
see that I will follow all the things of IS 16 because there is no difference, huh? See, land, building, this, that, 1st January 2001. Yum, 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 yum. How much, how much, how much, how much total is 1 million, right?
Yeah.
And yum, 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 yum. What is the value of land? Building will
Uh,
be this table. Okay, fine.
yeah.
We have year ended 31st of December. So in order to find out the value, carrying amount, right? CA means carrying amount. At the year
Mhm.
end, we have to deduct 1 year depreciation from here. 600,000 is the building value divided by 50 years of life. And January till December, wallahi is 1 year. Sah, am I right?
Yeah.
So what is the 1 year depreciation? Land cannot be depreciated. What is the depreciation?
That's like 6. 12,000.
88,000 here and how much? Hello?
12,000.
Carrying amounts. Am I right? I
Mm-hmm.
wrote correct. I wrote correct or wrong?
I can't see what you wrote.
Huh?
Are you writing on the screen shared with me? Oh,
Yes.
okay. Now I can see it.
Ah, okay. The screen was not presented.
No, I was
Oh,
only I could see the question, not this
okay,
part.
okay. So land, building, total. Land has 400,000.
Yeah.
Total was 1 million. So the building is 600,000 per year depreciation. You told me 12,000. So the answers I got this, and that. Any problem?
No.
Okay. So the answers are correct. 988 is right.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Now, cost model, SOCI, yani profit and loss. In the profit and loss, we will have depreciation expense. How much? 12,000.
1,000.
And this 988 is going to be in SFP as a non-current asset. Am I clear?
Yeah.
This non-current asset name will be not property, plant and equipment. The name will be investment property. Only the name is going to be changed. Am I clear?
Yeah.
No doubts?
No.
Okay. So you witnessed that everything in IS 16 cost model, same in IS 40 cost model. Please note it down.
Yeah.
Now, the B part, first time in your life, you are going to witness the fair value model of IAS 40. So this is a new learning for you, okay, ma'am? So be very careful. Be very, 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 very careful, okay? And here, what we are learning is you can say is going to cover up all of IS 40 now. Fair value model means incorporating the market values. What fair value model means? Fair value model,
Income.
you know, incorporating
Yeah.
the market values into the books. Remember one thing, just recall your memory. You revised IS 16 or no? Tell me.
Yeah.
IS
It's been.
16 revaluation model is going to affect the OCI. Remember?
Yeah.
Gain or loss on revaluation, yani surplus or deficit in revaluation is not part of income statement. Is going to affect the OCI, right or wrong?
Yeah.
Any problems?
No.
But sir, ma'am, excuse me. IS 40 fair value model, Mafi OCI. No, Khalli Walli OCI. We will not care about OCI. The gain or loss will be part of profit and loss, SOCI. Mafi OCI. Here is equity and OCI, no?
Yeah.
Yani in revaluation reserve is part of equity in IS 16 revaluation. IS 16 revaluation, OCI and equity. OCI and revaluation reserve. Revaluation reserve is a part of equity. We learned it, remember?
Yeah.
IS 40 Mafi equity, Mafi OCI, no
Okay.
OCI, no OCI, no revaluation reserve, no equity, Baba, no equity, Khalli equity, Khalli revaluation, Khalli OCI. Only the gain and loss is going to be part of your profit and loss. Simple and easy. Got it?
Yeah.
What so now? If someone is going to ask you that, okay, you are learning from Sarfazan, tell me one line, tell me one line. What is the difference between revaluation model of IS 16 and fair value model of IS 40? So, one liner answer. IS 16 revaluation is OCI and equity.
Yeah.
IS 40 fair value model is profit and loss. Is profit and
Okay.
loss. No equity, no OCI. Correct wala wrong?
Correct.
Very nice. Write down, please, the drama. I am writing too much. I know. Then
Yeah.
moving forward. Now this question I am solving for fair value model. Look, the market value became how much? 1.1 now.
Yeah.
Be careful. 1st January 2001, the same drama, BD land building. Total land is 400,000. Building is this much. Total is this much. And
Mm.
at the year ended, the fair value of the asset became 1.1 million. From where I got it? I got it from the question, bhai. It's written here, right? It's at the year
Yeah.
end, right? Very interesting thing. Very interesting thing. I said it just now. OCI नहीं है. Revaluation reserve, yani equity, no. I wrote this above, right?
Yeah.
Gain wala loss. Gain or loss will be part of profit and loss, yani SOCI, right?
Yeah.
Very important point is in fair value model of IS 40, fair value model of IS 40, no depreciation need to be calculated. Khalas. In fair value model of IS 40, it's haram, yani it's prohibited to calculate depreciation. You are not allowed to calculate any depreciation expense when you are following the fair value model of IS 40.
Mm-hmm.
Understood?
Yeah.
Yani sir, here no depreciation. Yes, no depreciation. Sir, this is 1st of January. This is 31st of January. We passed 1 year. So depreciation kidhar? Where is the depreciation? Khalli walli depreciation, Baba. No need. Why? Who said it? IS 40 said it. Whenever you follow the fair value model, no depreciation. Khalas. Got it?
Yeah.
So the difference here, are you happy with the difference or are you upset with the difference?
I'm fine with the difference.
You are happy with the difference. So that is a gain in profit and loss of how much? $100,000. And in your SFP, under the heading of non-current asset, you will have investment property with a value of 1100,000. Any problems?
No.
That is the fair value model of IAS 40. Look at it, note it down, and see if you have any concern. Now let's see how much you understood. I have a question from Kaplan Kit. You're aware of Kaplan, right?
Yeah.
Kaplan, we have a question called Crofty. Crofty acquired a building with 40 years life. Okay. For its investment potential. Investment potential, whenever we saw it, is coming in our mind. Tring tring. It's an investment property, right? Hello.
Yeah.
8 million, 1st January 2003. At the year end, the fair value was estimated 9 million, with cost to sale estimated at 200,000. Requirement. Can you read the requirement for me, please? Read the
Uh,
requirement.
if Croft Co. uses the fair value model for investment properties, what gain should be recorded in the statement of profit or loss for the year ended 31st December 2030?
See, the examiner, the kid guy, the Kaplan guy is writing himself profit and loss because he also knows that whenever IS 40 fair value model applies, khalas, no depreciation, no OCI, no equity, right? Well or wrong?
Right.
So what answer do you think we supposed to have here?
Mhm. 1 million.
1 million. MashaAllah. Marhaba. Mabruk. Congratulations, ma'am. Your answer is right. I will add 1000 because three zeros are mentioned. I used to say that some students are there. 1st January 23, it's 8 million, right?
Yeah.
31st of December, it's a fair value model, right? So no depreciation. The value is 9 million. Okay. The difference is gain in SOCI 1 million. There are some students who are saying, sir, what we will do with this 200,000? So I used to say, beta, it's not IS2 that we are not calculating NRV. This is NRV, fair value minus selling expenses. This is NRV. We don't need NRV. We need fair value comparison of value versus value. Value versus value is IS 40 ka fair value model. Khalas. So, sir, what we will do with this selling expense? Habibi, ignore. Khalli walli. No faida. Correct?
Yeah.
So, that is the simple IS 40 we are done with. Now, the complex situations, the second half of this IS, I am going to start now. This is what? This is a property which we bought with the intention of investment, rental, or capital appreciation. Our intention at the time of purchase was that we are buying that property for capital appreciation. Khalas. But the complex structure is, which is the second half of this IAS, which is bit easy. And I used to say it's easy. This is called transfer. Transfer is what? I used to say that, beta, listen, careful, be careful. This is your year end. What it is?
Year end.
1st of January, let's suppose 24. 31st of December 24. You had a property, plant and equipment. Yani business use, owner occupied. Yani property. On 30th June 24, your intention got shaked. Your intention got revised. And you are saying on this date that the owner, yani owner occupied property, owner occupied property means IAS 16, which is in business use. You are
Yeah.
saying, Khalas, I am going to shut down my business, or I am going to close down this property, and I am keeping it for capital appreciation or rental purpose. Khalas. I am not no more yani. Yani after 30th June, in mid of the year end, khalas. Now I am not going to use that property for business purpose. I am going to use it for the capital appreciation purpose. Got it?
Yeah.
So here the new thing is that the property was in IS 16 and now is jumping in where?
IS 40.
Investment property. Yani, in easy words, from 16 to 40. From where?
16 to 40.
16 to 40, jumping here to there. And 40, we have how many models? Cost
Yeah.
model or fair value model. We have two models in 40, na?
Yeah.
So this is the one case, case one. You must write vice versa as well. Vice versa means that you bought a property for capital appreciation purposes with the intention of capital appreciation, but after some months, after some years, during the year end which you are working for, the owner is saying that I need this property for my factory. So I am occupying it for this property for the business purpose. Yani 40 to 16 or 16 to 40. 40 to 16, 16 to 40. 40 to 16, 16 to 40. That is called the transfer between IS 16 to 40 or 40 to 16. Got it or no?
Yeah.
That's what we need to learn now. Any problem till now?
No.
Okay. Note down and let me know.
Done.
Okay. Now let me share a question with you. Give me 1 minute. Look, in this question from Study Hub, investment property to owner occupied, yani IAS 40 to IAS 16, right? 1st
Yeah.
October 2014 or 2004 or 24, whatever. Candy owned an investment property with a carrying amount of 5.9 million. On 31st December, Candy occupied the property when it became the company's head office. Yani now the business activity is going to perform from there, right?
Yeah.
So we need to jump this property from here to there, right?
Mm-hmm.
So 31st of December is the date where some adjustments are required. What are required?
Some adjustments.
Be careful. From where we are coming? 42 coming
6.
40. 40 to 16, right? They wrote it here fair value already. At the date of change, the property fair value is 6 million. And when you are coming towards IS 16, the fair value is how much? $6 million, right?
Yeah.
When you were in IS 40, the carrying amount in IS 40 was how much?
5.
Now 5.926 million. The difference is the gap, no? The difference is the adjustment. That is the adjustment. How much is the difference?
0.1 million.
The question, $1 million question is, sir, this 1 million is either revaluation, or sir, it is fair value adjustment. What it is, sir, tell me. Yani if it
Uh,
is revaluation, then it's going to be part of OCI and equity. But if it is the fair value adjustment, then it's going to be part of income statement. Why, right or wrong?
yeah.
So how, yani what it is? It is revaluation or it is some other thing. How we comes to know that? So I will let you know. Always remember the rules we will follow from preceding IS. Preceding means the previous one. Tell me from where we are coming. We are coming from which IS?
40.
So the rules of 40 will apply as the time of adjustment. Note down somewhere
Yeah.
in your notebook. From where we are coming, the last
I,
rules are going to be followed for that one. And we are coming from 40. So the 40 rules are going to be applied for the adjusting figure. Right?
yeah.
Yeah, tell me anything. Any problem?
No.
So this 1 million is going to be gain in profit and loss. Any doubts?
No.
And the property, this property in SFP, now non-current asset, but not under the heading of investment property. This will be property, plant, and equipment. Am I right?
Yeah.
And depreciation will be charged at year end. Why? Because IS 40 fair value model, no depreciation. But when we are jumping now in IS 16, IS 16 lazim, wallahi, we have to
Yeah.
compute the depreciation other than land. If it is land, no depreciation. Other than land, we have to calculate depreciation on the building, on the premises, on the properties. Am I right?
Yeah.
So that's how it works. If we comes from IS 40 to 16, the difference in the value is called adjustment, and this adjustment will be gain in P&L because we are coming from 40, so the 40 rules will apply. And then after this transfer, the property will fall under the heading of property, plant, and equipment, IS 16, and we are going to charge depreciation for on it. Any tension?
No.
Very nice. Note down, let me know.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I am showing another question from Study Hub. Just you read it by your own and do let me know, ma'am, what it is. From 16 to 40, 40 to 16, from where to where it is.
The head office building. Is going from IAS 40 to IAS 16.
40 to
Oh, sorry,
16.
sorry, 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 sorry. 16 to 40.
Aiva, yes, yes, yes. It was head office. It was head office. And now it's going to become investment property, right?
Yeah.
Now, 1st October 2004. It is a head office, yani it's under IAS number 16. And the cost is given. What is given?
The cost.
Okay, how much? 4 million.
Mm-hmm.
Accumulated appreciation is also given like 800,000. It is on 1st of October, no?
Yeah.
So the CA, yani carrying amount on 1st of October is 3.2 million. Am I clear?
Yeah.
31st of December, they got another property and they shifted to they shifted their head office to the new property and marked that property as an investment one. So okay, fine, fair enough, because they are going to let it out. The problem is what to do. The value is how much? When the fair value was 4.5 million. This is a misprint in Study Hub. In the solution, they are using the value of 4.5, but they
Oh.
forgot to write it in the question. So
The
it
study
happened.
hub is not nice.
Yeah, you tried it already in your text paper, no? There
Because I
are
had to, so the law paper I had to give again. So I was referring to the study hub, but it's this horrible. You can't understand anything.
and without teacher support, Study Hub will make you crazy, you know?
It's I mean the layout also, the way they've given everything, just thrown it there. There's no like
So the fair value was 4.5. Now be careful here. Here we have fair value at 31st of December, 4.5 million. Adjustment is required because we are jumping from one IS to another. And we know the previous IS rules will apply. Always
mhm.
be careful here. We cannot compare like this. No, no, no. Sir, here you did like this. You wrote this, you wrote that. Although it is 1st of October and it is 31st of December, you just directly made a difference. Because IS 40 don't have depreciation. Fair value model
Yeah.
of IS 40, no depreciation. That's why I did direct comparison here. But now I am stuck. I can't do direct comparison when I am coming from 16 towards the 40. I can't. No, I can't. Why? Lesh, क्यों? Why I can't? Because this is carrying amount at 1st of October. This is fair value of December. From 16, you are jumping, Baba. So you need a carrying amount. You need a carrying amount at the same day. From
Yeah.
40, from 40, if you are jumping from 40 to 16, direct comparison, khalas. Because there is no depreciation in IS 40 fair value model. But here there is a big problem. What is the problem? Problem is we cannot compare directly. We need to charge depreciation for some months here. The 4
Yeah,
years.
6 months.
4 million divided by 4 years. And how many months? October, November, December, January. October, 6 months? Why 6 months?
Yeah.
October, November, December. Baba, Talata, 3, 3.
3.
Hikba, tray. 1, 2, 3. Right?
Yeah.
How much? Answer?
250,000.
Huh?
250,000.
And we are left with
2,950,000.
2,000.
950.
Okay, 2.95 million. 2,950,000, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, the thing is, the problem is, there is no method defined. That's why I presume that we are using the straight line method. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now, tell me one thing. This is the value carrying amount. That is the fair value, right?
Yeah.
How much is the difference? How much is the difference? That is called adjustment of how much?
For 1,550,000.
1,550,000, right?
Yeah.
Now this is the increase in value, na?
Mm-hmm.
What we will say? It's a gain in income statement, or we can say it's a revaluation reserve, OCI.
Sorry?
What we will say?
It's a gain.
It's a gain, fine. Life, I assume the 4 years, huh? Life. That's why I did like this way. This gain is either profit and loss
Mm-hmm.
or revaluation reserve. Which one it is?
Profit and loss.
We are coming from which IS?
16.
So we are coming from 16, so we follow 16. Yani this gain is going to be in OCI and revaluation reserve in equity. I said it earlier, no? From where we are coming, we will follow that one. Look here. Here we said it's a gain in profit and loss. Why? Because we were coming from where?
16.
Uh-huh.
No, that's IS 40.
We were coming from 40, so we said it that no revaluation is in 40, is fair value adjustment, which is gain. Khalas. Here
Okay.
we are coming from where? We are coming from which
16.
IS?
16.
16. So in 16, the gain is in OCI and in equity. No profit and loss because yani simple formula to memorize, formula to remember. From where we are coming, we will follow that one. If we are coming from 40, the gain is going to be part of profit and loss. But if we are coming from, if we are
16.
16, then the gain or loss is going to be part of OCI. Okay. Any problem?
Yeah. No.
Note down.
Done.
Okay. Now some exam type questions we will do from your study hub. Now, for IS 40, you or your subsidiary are same units, huh? You and your subsidiary are considered as same units. Now look, this question I am reading it and I will explain now. Wintrip, a building company, own property which is occupied by who?
Subsidiary.
Occupied, no? Occupied
Yeah.
means business use, no?
Yeah.
Business use means IS
16.
Halash. D for duck is the answer. Always remember that. What to remember, sir? Always remember, ma'am, that whenever a property is owned by subsidiary, it's simple. It's a owner. It's a in use. It's in use, and a property is in use. Is gonna be property, plant, and equipment. Am I clear?
Yeah.
Next question again from your exam, yani exam practice study hub, exam type question coming up at your screen. The following could require a property to be accounted for as IS 40. Which property, honey? I can make it easy. A, B, C, D, comma. Tell me A, B, C, wala D. Which one is going to be an investment property? Read it, read it.
Owner, occupation, commencement of development.
Yes, ma'am.
D.
Mashallah. Absolutely correct. Why, Leish, kyun? Let's see. Owner occupied, sir. Owner occupied. IS 16. View of sale, we will learn soon, inshallah, IFRS 5. Okay. Lease, IFRS 16 later on. No owner use. Okay. No owner use, khalas, that is the answer. If no owner use, that is an investment property. Simple and easy, right?
Yeah.
This one. IS 40 can be held for which of the following purpose? Tell me A, B, C, D, which is investment property.
D.
Very good.
This looks easier than when you explain something.
Yeah, okay. Alhamdulillah.
Law
Now,
was, law was
huh?
nightmare.
Huh?
The law paper is nightmare. I cleared it today.
Mabruk, congratulations.
It's horrible. You know, you study one thing and they ask you something else. From
It happens. It happens. Now we have a question. Calculation. Here it is. So let me put it here. Just we are going to read it. What amount should be credited to the profit and loss? Yani, with the requirement I understood is a building, profit and loss, so definitely it is IS 40 fair value model. Wallahi, am I right?
yeah,
A company seized on, seized owner occupy. Yani, this is a case of transfer here, right?
yeah, from I 16 to 40.
16 to 40. So the previous rules, new rules, whatever the rules are going to apply. Let's see. A company sees owner occupied at office building on 1st of January. 1st of January seizing. Okay. So the transfer is 1st of January. Am I right?
Yeah,
And he's asking at the year end. So be careful, huh? 1st of January, let out the building to third party. The fair value was estimated at 900,000. Building originally cost 800,000 on 1st of January. 50 years of life. The building fair value is this. Adopt the fair value model. Now be careful. We are not required they are not requiring us to tell the adjustment figure. Am I right?
no,
No, no. So
no,
now 1st January, the fair value, and when it jumps to IS 40, it was how much?
900,000.
And at the year end, the fair value when it is in IS 40 is how much?
One 111. Yeah,
1.1 million.
1.1 million.
Depreciation kitna? How much depreciation I'm going to charge in between?
Nothing.
Nothing. So gain in SOCI is
200,000.
Subhanallah. Oh, khalas. Some students used to think or they are doing, sir, it was the cost 800,000, 800,000 to 900,000, sir, adjustment we will do. Habibi, they are not asking you accounting at 1st of January, so why you are tiring yourself thinking about adjustment? No need. No need of adjusting. No need of adjustment. They are asking you year end. At the start of the year, the fair value was 900. At the end of the year, the fair value is 1.1. Fair value model, Baba, no depreciation. 900 minus 1.1 million, the 200,000 gain. Khalas, finish. That's it. Wow. Jadoo.
Mhm.
That is the answer, So,
Easy.
steady. Yeah, easy. Yes, you are right. So that's how IS 40 is going to appear in your paper. Only one small thing is left. Let me do this one as well, and we will complete this IAS. And I will do one OTQ, inshallah, and from the Kaplan, like a big question. Uh, there is one thing I would like to solve with you. Is this one? So 100% this IAS will be completed. This is the question again from Study Hub, and it's bit easy, but many students used to became crazy when they show this much lengthy question of IAS 40 in their study hub. So I would like you to just read it. Just read it for yourself. Yani, just read it. This much lengthy question. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. A company has four properties, investment properties A, B, C, and D. Before IS 40, the company has, yani the IS 40 was not available in that country. So the company made their own policy. What was the policy? Investment properties are measured on the portfolio basis at the fair value at the end. And again, yani they are using the fair value, which is in compliance with IS 40 or no?
Yeah.
And they are asking you to choose the fair value model, no? So fair value, they are keeping it fair value. This is correct. With any net, oh my god, net gain recognized in investor haram. Toba, 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 toba. Astaghfirullah al-azim. Haza galat. That is wrong. Why the net gain of investment property in revaluation are they crazy? This is wrong. Am I right?
Yeah.
So beginning the four properties was this much, and year end the valuation is this much. What is the total?
455 million.
400.
55.
Listen to me. As per IS 40, SFP, non-current asset, investment properties will reflect at 455. Am I right?
Yeah.
SOCI, no depreciation. Am I clear?
Yeah.
And gain 100 minus 455. Gain on
350.
fair value 355 million in SOCI, not in SFP or OCI. Not
Yeah.
in SFP, not in OCI. You know, that is the answer of this question. Hey,
Oh.
that is the answer? Yes, that is the answer of this question. Sir, I was reading the question and I was thinking, oh my God, too much, Allahu Akbar, how to do this? Oof, 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 oof. It's normal. You are not the only one. Almost all the students who are reading this question, they were thinking, oh my God, kya karega? What I supposed to do? And once I solve it, they became bit shocked, you know. Hey, sir, this bus, only this. Only this. One, two, three, four. Bus. Sir, it's like a joke. Sir, you are joking. No, I am not joking. Just read the official answer of ACCA. This is the official answer. Read the official answer and see I'm right or I am right.
Yeah.
Here I did a mistake. Sorry. Each is 100. Sorry. Each property is 100. So the gain is not this much. The gain will be
It's
bit.
only 55.
Yeah. 400 minus 455. I missed the each. Okay, now read. Correct?
Yeah.
Huh? Hello?
Yeah.
Okay. So, bihamdihi ta'ala, with the help of this question, we are done with our second IS 40. Tata, bye bye, finish, that's it. I would give you a homework assignment. You must do that. Go to your
Mm-hmm.
study hub now. You
Mm-hmm.
have chapter 7, which we are done already. Chapter 7, IS 16. Chapter 10, IS 40. Now it's your assignment to read it. Already we solved all the questions. So, yani, if you are solving my what you can say, my notes or the class worksheet which I am going to send you, and IS 16 sheet with you, you are already covered the numeric questions. Just read the theory, finish it off, okay?
Yeah.
And we are done with 2 out of 27. So next class, I will do a OTQ question on investment property from the Kaplan, inshallah. And we will start IAS 23, which is borrowing cost. Okay.
Okay.
So any questions?
Uh, no.
Huh?
No. No questions.
Okay. Take care. Bye bye.